Tabletop Mountain. We are headed up to go see the top. See you up there. So it looks like the last 300 feet of this thing is going to be a 8% incline with a bunch of rocks in the way. Wish us luck, because this is what we're up against. And Tristan wanted to take the long way and add another 2 miles on this thing. So we've already got 4 miles in. Almost there. Oh, we're there now. Up here. I expected grass. There's the top of the mountain, if you were wondering. I love this tree. We found our lunch spot. It was really windy up there, so we found a spot over behind this pretty tree with this cool rock right there. And not a bad view. Tristan made us up a bunch of goodies. Typical, you know, typical stuff that we eat. All that goodness. With turkey sandwiches with egg salad. Wish y'all could join us. Merry Christmas!
My eyeballs have been on point today.
So we're walking around the top of this mountain, Tabletop Mountain, and I hear Tristan say, "Oh my gosh," and this is what I turn around and find. She found an arrowhead.
Ha ha! I mean, look at that.
How do you feel about that? Are you like super happy? Like Merry Christmas?
This is on the list of things to find, and
Yeah.
it's been found. Merry Christmas.
Walking trails looking for the spring. I think you guys can tell me where the spring is. What doesn't match? There's a spring right here. Look at the size of that tree. Everything else is brown.
Just know that time will never be a good old friend. Heaven knows that love alone won't make you make your bed. Yes, I know. So I'll keep your things here instead. The sweater that you wore when you were here is still so fresh. Tell me, love, did you ever think that this thing would ever end? Yes, I know. So I keep your book by my bed. Lie to me, tell me that you always thought goodbye was sweet. Cause we always knew it
does,
was
looks like one of the
true.
turtles.
So baby, like just one more night. Lie to me, tell me that you always thought goodbye was sweet. Cause we always knew it wasn't true. So baby, like just one more night. Remember when I held you and I said this feels like home? You gave me that look like you and I both know this fire burns too bright. We had the time of our lives. Oh, we couldn't figure out a way to say goodbye. I had to hate you just to lose you without wondering why. You couldn't stay one more